To do this first assignment titled Intro to Marketing, you actually will just be taking some notes off of a Google slide. So you will first need to open up the Google slideshow titled Intro to Marketing. It will open up a new tab and it should look like this. It will also open up the assignment titled Intro to Marketing. It is done in Google Docs. So right here is the definitions and different questions that you will need to answer. You get these answers from going through this slideshow. So for example, on the Google Doc, it asks you, number 1, list 3 places you see marketing. Right here is an example of 3 places that you see marketing. Billboards, social media, on the side of buses. So right here you would type side of buses, billboards, and social media. Then you move on to number 2. What are the 4 P's of marketing? You'd come back to the Google slideshow, answer them by going through the different slideshow.